Hey guys, this is Sin. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to modify the level of detail, also known as LODs, for an asset or a mesh in the game. So click on a mesh and then go ahead and edit it. That will bring you to the editor of that object or of that mesh. There's a nanite setting here. So if you're not in VR, so if you're doing desktop development, you want to check that for sure because you want nanites enabled. In my case, we're doing a VR headset project. So we want to enable LODs, right? So you can see here the number of LODs by default is 1, which is basically just the static mesh that you see now. We can change this to 7. So there'll be 7 different versions of this mesh that Unreal can create. So if you hit apply, it'll actually generate the different LODs for this mesh, and then that's it. So if you want to see what that looks like, so if I go to LOD 0, let me see here. You can see LOD 2, LOD 6. So depending on how far this object is from the user's point of view, Unreal will render less and less or more and more detail depending on how far the user is, right? So anyway, yeah, that's how you do LODs in Unreal. It only takes literally like seconds to do that. Obviously, to optimize that, you'll have to do it for each object in the game, unless you were fortunate enough to import an asset with LODs already included, right? So let's see here. LOD picker, we want auto, blah, blah, blah. LOD settings. So we want, again, 7. Hit apply. Okay. And then you can test your LOD settings over here by saying LOD 6. So when that gazebo is really far, that's what it would look like. Then as you get closer and closer to it, that's kind of how Unreal will render it. So let's see what this looks like in the game. Compiling Quest 3 APK here. It takes a while to compile. Well, actually, it takes a while to push it to the VR. It's probably waiting for me to accept a prompt on the VR. But anyway, this is Sin, just showing you how you create LODs in Unreal.